Tbay gift card trading tutorial. When you have an unused gift card. Step 1. Open Tbay. Find your card type in Home page. Choose a vendor with ideal price. Click Sell. Step 2. Enter the amount of your card. Upload a photo of the card, including the e-codes. After confirming the points you can earn, click Sell Now. Step 3. After completing order, check earned points in your account. Click Withdraw. Enter the amount of points you want to withdraw. Select your received bank account. Confirm the amount available. Click Sell Now. Your bank account will receive the payment. Tips. Join the daily check-in to get coins. Use the bonus coupon to grow your earnings. Upgrade your membership level to boost your selling price. The more trades you make, the more you will earn.